Hello friends, in chapter number 15 our environment we go through next topic is question is describe energy flow in an ecosystem. How energy can pass in ecosystem? First we know, write the answer. In first point we know each step or level of food chain forms or makes trophic levels. All trophic levels in food chain, all trophic levels in food chain indicates energy flow, and we know in all food chain the energy can be passed through which level? First of all, producers. In every food chain, energy passes through producers. Here write something about producers. Producers use solar energy and process of photosynthesis they prepare food. During the process of photosynthesis, producer prepare food. So producer is, here we write so energy starts with producers. Then herbivores eats green plants and utilize herbivores eat green plant, utilize and their food. Whenever herbivores eat green plants, obtain their food, and carnivores eat herbivores utilize and obtained their food. So the energy flow goes on. Then small carnivores obtain their food. Then big carnivores, top carnivores obtain their food, and energy flow goes on. So the chemical energy, here we add one word. Producers use solar energy and process of photosynthesis. They prepare food by and make chemical energy. This type of chemical energy is useful for all living organisms to do their life processes. Chemical energy, with the help of chemical energy, every organisms do their life processes. Let's give some information with chart. Here we draw in any ecosystem, the primary source of energy is only sun. Here we draw solar energy, or we write it sunlight. First we draw all the boxes, and then we draw producers, herbivores, carnivores, here we write sunlight, then producers, then we write herbivores, then carnivores, and then top carnivores. After give the chart, you add one sentence add after chart. Energy flow in ecosystem. Because of lack of space, I can write here, but you add this sentence after chart. First, you draw sunlight. Help of sunlight, producer make their own food, and herbivores depended on producers. Carnivores depended on herbivores, and top carnivores are depended in carnivores. Let's see another point related to energy flow. In any ecosystem, energy flow is always unidirectional. Here one most important thing is notice is that in any ecosystem the energy flow is always unidirectional. When producers take or get, when producer gets solar energy, they cannot give back to sun. When herbivores gets energy, they cannot give back to green plants. Same, carnivores get energy, they cannot give back to the herbivores. This type of the points are says us that when in any tropic level, first the energy pass into the tropic level, they cannot come back in lower tropic level. Energy not come back to lower trophic level. Here One more point is says us that in any ecosystem, energy flow is always unidirectional. Give the reason. The question is arise, you have to give the points for unidirectional. When producers make their food and herbivores get energy by producers, the herbivores cannot give back energy to producers. When carnivores eat herbivores and get energy, they cannot give energy back to herbivores. When top carnivores utilize and obtain their food with carnivores, they cannot give back energy to carnivores. In any trophic level, when energy can pass in one time, they cannot be reversed. They cannot be come back in any trophic level. Energy flow says us that each step or level, here the word is level. Level of food chain forms trophic levels. All trophic levels in food chain indicates energy flow. In every food chain, energy passes through producer. Producer are the main source for energy. Main source. Producers use solar energy and process of photosynthesis. By the process of photosynthesis, they prepare food and make chemical energy. So energy start always with producers. Herbivores eat green plants and utilize and obtain their food. Carnivores eat herbivores and getting energy. Chemical energy is useful for all living organisms to do their whole life processes. In any ecosystem, energy flow is unidirectional. Here, fill in the blank and one word answer. The word is important. The energy flow in any ecosystem is always unidirectional. When producers gets solar energy, they cannot give back to sun. When producers use solar energy and make their food, they cannot give back their energy to sun. When herbivores get energy, they cannot give back to green plants. When carnivore get energy, they cannot give back to the herbivores. So energy not come back to any lower trophic level. When energy can pass one time, they cannot be back. So in energy flow in ecosystem, the energy pass through unidirectional.